children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami.
Hello teacher. Hello friends.
Get ready to learn about the 26 letters in the English alphabet. Today we will learn about letter E. So let's start. This is an uppercase E. What is this, Monami?
This is an uppercase E.
Good. And this is a lowercase e. What is this, Monami?
This is a lowercase e.
Yes. As you know, children, every letter has a different sound. Letter E is a vowel and it has two sounds. To make you understand it better, here is the story of Effie the elephant. Effie the elephant was very naughty but also loved to help the other animals in the jungle. Effie's friend Dove had made a nest in a big tree. One day, Mama Dove went in search of food, leaving her 2 eggs in the nest. Tito the almond lived in the hollow of that tree. As soon as Mama Dove left the nest, Tito slowly climbed the tree to grab the eggs. Effie, however, was already there to guard the nest. Effie frowned at Tito, who started climbing down the tree in a hurry and hurt his ankle. Tito started screaming, eh, 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 and once again hit himself in the hollow of the tree, never to trouble the dove again, knowing that Effie is always there to protect them.
Tito the almond screamed, eh, 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 eh.
Yes, the short sound of letter E is eh. Now, let us sing about the short sound of letter E. Will you sing after me?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start. E is a vowel, it has 2 sounds. E is a vowel, it has 2 sounds.
E is a vowel, it has 2 sounds. E is a vowel, it has 2 sounds.
Let us say the short sound eh, 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 eh.
Let us say the short sound eh, 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 eh.
Eh as in egg, eh as in elephant, eh as in elbow.
Eh as in egg, eh as in elephant, eh as in elbow.
Isn't it fun?
It's good to learn.
E is a vowel, it has 2 sounds. E is a vowel, it has 2 sounds.
E is a vowel, it has 2 sounds. E is a vowel, it has 2 sounds.
Let us say the long sound E, 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 E.
Let us say the long sound E, 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 E.
E as in eagle, E as in engine, E as in eraser.
E as in eagle, E as in engine, E as in eraser.
Isn't it fun?
It's good to learn.
So dear children, today we have learned about letter E. What did we learn about letter E, Monami?
Letter E is a vowel and it has 2 sounds. E, short sound, E, long sound.
Very good. In our next class, we will learn about letter F with a new story. And please
do not forget to like, subscribe and share our channel.
Yes. So see you in our next class. Till then, bye.
Bye, friends.